Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus 15 and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app, and I hope that you can see those green lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear after resetting. So now all we have to do is to tap on the three bars icon in the right upper corner and then go to the settings. Here let's scroll all the way down and tap on Restore Defaults and tap on Restore. And as you can see, we just got back to the camera and the green lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.